how you can recover removed apps and game connected with Facebook account. So first of all, what you need to do is click on your profile and then go to settings. Inside settings, you can scroll all the way down until you find apps and websites, and you just have to click on it. Once you've done that, it will show all of the apps that are connected to your Facebook. Here you can see my TikTok is connected to the Facebook, so I will just remove it and then click on remove. Now you can see I have removed my TikTok from my Facebook app. In order to recover my removed TikTok app with my Facebook account, I am going to open TikTok and then click on login. Here I am going to continue with Facebook. After that, I'm going to select my Facebook account. Then TikTok will request an access to my Facebook account. I am going to continue. And after I've done that, I am logged in into my TikTok account through my Facebook. And you can also follow these simple steps and log in into your apps using your Facebook account to recover the removed apps from the Facebook account. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful.